The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Up to 3 Ukrainian battalions, including 1 armored, attempted to break the defense of Russian troops towards Novaya Kamenka Yar in Kherson region. The enemy succeeded in wedging into the defense of Russian units near Sukhanovo in Kherson region. Russian command involved armored reserve forces and organized ambush operation that caused considerable casualties among enemy units and made Ukrainian units to escape disorderly. The positions along the front line have been completely recovered. Over 200 Ukrainian personnel, 14 tanks, 16 armored fighting vehicles and 7 motor vehicles have been eliminated at the above-mentioned direction. 3 tanks, 1 infantry fighting vehicle and UR-77 mine action system have been captured as trophies. 18 Ukrainian personnel have surrendered. In total, 324 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,296 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,926 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,511 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 6,665 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.